Hello and welcome to Drunken Photoshop Tutorials. My name is Matt Gill and I am not drunk today because I am sick. I'm under the weather, and instead of making you listen to 5 minutes of a dopey voice, I thought I'd just give you guys a thank you. A big old thank you for my 10 subscribers. 10 subscribers. We started from nothing, now we're at 10. That's amazing, so thank you. Here are some free text effects that you can use. You got your neon effect, you got your inset effect, you got your studdle bubble effect. Say that 5 times really fast. You got your gold effect, you got your chroma effect. Go in there, download this, explore, double click on this. You see this? Might want to turn that off, change a few things, maybe go in here, maybe change the gradient, see what kind of effect you can get if you change the gradient. Come in here. Look at that, now it's even more tropical. Kind of nice. It's kind of a nice effect. I almost like it better than the original. But anyways, download it. Thank you again. I hope you guys have fun, and thank you very much. Bye.